Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we'll talk about what are the uses of COBOL or Common Business Oriented Language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Uses of COBOL. COBOL is primarily used in legacy systems for business, finance, and government applications. It handles high-volume transaction processing in sectors like banking, insurance, healthcare, and government. COBOL is also used in mainframe systems, ERP systems, inventory management, and telecommunication billing. It remains essential in maintaining and integrating legacy systems despite the rise of newer technologies. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the uses of COBOL or business oriented programming language. Thank you so much for listening and watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.